Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Big Mascara is probably one of the most transformative beauty products in your makeup bag. It has the power to instantly open up your eyes, making you look more awake and polished. But with so many mascaras on the market, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Big Mascara, exploring different formulas, wands, and application techniques to help you find your perfect match. Number 5. Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Mascara. Discover the secret to French beauty. This mascara is a classic for a reason, providing defined and voluminous lashes with just one coat. Build the look for even thicker, fanned lashes. Get ready for clump-free, lightweight lashes that look soft and natural. The smudge-proof and long-lasting formula won't flake or transfer. It gives you length, thickness, and volume that lasts all day. Applying this mascara is a breeze with the petite wand that coats every lash. It's designed for easy application, ensuring every lash is perfectly coated for a stunning look. Removing the mascara is just as easy. It comes off effortlessly with a makeup remover, without damaging your lashes. Enjoy the convenience of easy application and removal. We care about animals. This product is cruelty-free, and never tested on animals. You can feel good about using it. We stand behind our products. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a hassle-free return policy. Try it today. What we like. This mascara offers defined and voluminous lashes with a lightweight, clump-free formula. It's perfect if you're looking for a natural look that lasts all day without smudging. If you like a classic, everyday mascara that's easy to apply and remove, this is the one for you. What people say. The mascara really makes my lashes look longer and fuller. It does not smudge or flake. The brush is designed to grab every lash. Number 4. Lancôme Monsieur Big Mascara, up to 12x volume. Get ready for a dramatic lash transformation. This mascara is designed to give your lashes incredible volume, making them look fuller and more defined. It's the secret to achieving a captivating eye look. Experience a boost in volume like never before. This mascara amplifies your lashes, creating a bold and eye-catching effect. It's perfect for those who desire a dramatic and impactful look. Enjoy long-lasting wear that stays put all day and night. This formula is designed to resist smudging and flaking, ensuring your lashes look perfect from morning to evening. You can confidently go about your day without worrying about touch-ups. Achieve the look of false lashes without the hassle. This mascara creates a stunning effect, making your lashes appear longer and more voluminous. It's the perfect way to enhance your natural beauty. The deep black pigment adds intensity and definition to your eyes. It coats each lash for a bold and striking look. This mascara will make your eyes pop. What we like. This mascara promises up to 12x more volume and a false lash effect that lasts for 24 hours. If you want a dramatic look with intense volume and long-lasting wear, this mascara is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want to make a statement with their lashes. What people say. The mascara really makes my lashes look longer and fuller. It does not smudge or flake. The brush is designed to grab every lash. Number 3. Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Introducing the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. With just one coat, it instantly gives you major lash volume and length. You don't need any falsies or primers with this mascara. This mascara uses a custom blend of waxes and conditioners. It builds volume and length without any clumps or crunch. It's lightweight, so you can apply multiple coats. The curved wand has crimped bristles that wrap around each lash. This gives you a full, even coat with every application. You can easily add layers without any clumping. This long-wearing mascara builds color for a dramatic look. Start at the base and sweep upwards and outwards. Repeat for added drama. It's also suitable for contact lens wearers. Stila is all about expressing yourself through makeup. Their high-performing products are designed for you to explore and play. It's the Stila way, and it's proudly made in the USA. What we like. This mascara maximizes volume and provides length, curl, and lift without clumping or crunching. The long-lasting formula ensures your lashes stay perfect all day. If you are looking for a mascara that delivers bold, black lashes without the fuss of clumps, this is the one for you. What people say. The mascara really makes my lashes look longer and fuller. It does not smudge or flake. The brush is designed to grab every lash. Number 2. GOOP Beauty Featherlash Mascara. Introducing a mascara that cares for your lashes. This formula is designed to support lash health while giving you amazing results. It will leave your lashes looking defined and full. The innovative brush head is designed for easy application. The unique design helps prevent clumping, making it simple to achieve any look you desire, from natural to dramatic. This mascara is packed with good-for-you ingredients. It includes peptides, microalgae, and vitamin E to help strengthen and condition your lashes. You'll love how it makes them feel. Start at the roots and brush upward. Use the tapered tip for those hard-to-reach areas. Layer it on for added definition and depth. It's easy to use and gives great results. In a study, 97% of users saw instant lift and volume. Also, 97% said it lasted all day, and 94% saw twice the length. Experience the difference for yourself. What we like. This mascara combines the benefits of a lash serum with volumizing and lengthening effects, all while using clean ingredients. It's designed to lift, lengthen, and condition your lashes for a naturally full look. If you are looking for a mascara that cares for your lashes while providing a beautiful look, you should consider this. What people say. It got to those little lashes at the end of my lash lines and went in very nicely. No clumping at all. This mascara gives me the most beautiful, fluttery, long soft lashes. It has the perfect amount of volume. I have oily eyelids and this mascara has no flaking or smudging and no irritation for my contact-sensitive eyes. It washes off in a snap but stays on until I take it off. It goes on smoothly and doesn't clump and it lasts all day. Number 1. Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Introducing the Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara from Essence. This mascara is designed to give you bold and beautiful lashes. It will help you achieve a dramatic look. This mascara defines and separates lashes. The conic shape fiber brush delivers dramatic volume and sculpted length. You'll love the results. With this mascara, no falsies are needed. It provides a bold look without clumps or globs. It's easy to apply and long-lasting. Essence Cosmetics is a cruelty-free brand certified by PETA. This product is free from gluten, silicones, parabens, oil, fragrance, alcohol, and microplastic particles. It's made in Luxembourg. Please note, if you receive this mascara unwrapped, it did not come from Essence Cosmetics. Ensure you are getting the genuine product for the best experience. What we like. This mascara defines and separates lashes while achieving a bold look, thanks to its conic shape fiber brush. It delivers dramatic volume and sculpted length without clumps. If you are looking for a cruelty-free option that gives you a bold and defined lash look, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The mascara really makes my lashes look longer and fuller. It does not smudge or flake. The brush is designed to grab every lash. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.